want to remove some products, but every time we do, they ask for it. So, yeah. So, rotation na lang. And sometimes nagagalit si Bims kasi makalat daw yung pastry cabinet. But I think that's a good problem, diba? So,
parang susumbong tayo sa media.
Para alam nila na, you're the silent partner. Yeah. For the price, the drink is 200, and then for the Oreo croissant and the black sesame, it's 130.
Kasi
nakinig ba yung ating mga barista na sa nila ha?
And then with the drinks, they're all discount cards are applicable. So PWD senior student discount. We also have partnerships with some organizations in UP. So there are orgs that partnered with us, so they get certain discounts as well.
Ayun. So, like for example, sa GMA reporter, si Katrina Son, she loves the brownies. So, hindi pwede mawala yun sa menu. Diba? Aside sa amin, yun na dash ni na po. Diba? So, favorite. So, alright, any parting words, guys? Aside for your gratitude to our friends and everyone. Kasi naka-live din yung ating mga vloggers. So, maybe some announcements and some parting shots.
I think for the announcements, it has been said already. So the loyalty card, feel free to get one today. With the drink that you will be getting from Pican and Verde, you can use the loyalty card already. So that we can see you again one of these days to complete the card and the stamps. Grab is coming in May, and the events will be, we're targeting June for the events in line with the wedding expo and the wedding season. That's it. And parting words, I guess, never-ending gratitude from the bottom of our hearts. We really would like to thank everyone for always being here. We appreciate seeing you and hearing that you like the drinks, the pastries, the breads. We hope you continue to be open to us if there are any feedback, whether it be good or bad. We'd love to hear from it because for us, it's a continuous growth in the process. So, thank you for
Gian. Kasi silent si John at si Eli. So they just agree.
Actually, binubulong nila sa amin.
Yun itong dalawa yung ating spokesperson.
Binubulong nila sa amin. No, for us, yun. As Krista said, we're really grateful to everyone for the support, for the feedback, for everything talaga. We're here because of you, and we're really hoping that you will be with us as we journey to more years. And we're also looking forward to more partners. We forgot to mention the new paintings that we have here. They are from a painter from Segada. So, yes. Yes, it's making. It's making on Facebook and Instagram. So she's using a special ink to paint natural dye. Yeah, natural dye. So yun, we're hoping to partner with more artists, bakers, and any industry actually. Kasi we believe that business is where we should all be together. We should partner together, diba? Kumbaga, journey to success tayo lahat. So, yeah, thank you.
That's a secret, diba? So,